Oh yeah, y'all. I'm about to catch me a big old snapping turtle. Give me about 5 seconds.
You're going head first. You're heading straight towards his head.
Oh yeah, he laid down right there.
Dang, did you put new batteries in this flashlight?
Yep.
Okay, hang on, I can't. Woo!
Oh, he mad as I'll get out.
He's a baby.
Y'all ready for number 3 of the night? Oh, watch this one. I'm gonna go in, socks on. Got his ass. Yes, sir. Number 3. Number 3. Oh, where's number 4?
I really hope
Oh, I'm gonna find him. I'm gonna find him.